If you've ever tried to download Cash App and saw the message, Cash App is not available in your region, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, you're going to learn exactly how to fix that issue. Make Cash App show up on your phone, even if you live outside the US or UK. And by the end of this tutorial, you'll also know how to start your Cash App sign-up process from anywhere in the world. Stick with me and don't skip a step because this fix actually works. Now, open your browser and go to Google Play Store or App Store and search for Cash App. If it's not available in your region, don't worry, we're going to fix that right now. Go back and open your device settings, scroll down and tap on Apps or App Management. Then select Google Play Store if you're using Android, or Apple ID settings if you're on iPhone. Now change your region to the United States or United Kingdom, depending on which version of Cash App you want. For Android users, you'll need to create a new Google account and set the country to United States. Once done, add that account to your phone and switch to it in the Play Store. For iPhone users, go to Settings, Apple ID, Media and Purchases, View Account. Then tap on Country/Region and switch it to United States. You might be asked to enter a US address. You can use any random valid one from Google Maps for this. After changing your region, close and reopen your App Store. Now search again for Cash App, and this time it should show up. Go ahead and download it. Once the app is installed, open it and start the sign-up process. You'll be asked to enter your phone number or email, then follow a few simple prompts that show up on your screen. Just follow each instruction carefully, and you'll have your Cash App account up and running. And that's how you fix the Cash App is not available in your region error and begin creating your account, even if you're outside the supported countries. If this helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tricks like this. Got any questions or stuck on a step? Drop a comment below and I'll help you out. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you have any questions and let me know what topics you'd like me to cover next. Hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this.